Have you ever thought about whether it's possible to easily get a woman's attention and make her feel naturally attracted to you? Just imagine being able to bypass all the guesswork, eliminate awkward moments, and instantly create a connection that is hard to ignore all by saying just 3 words. It doesn't matter if she's someone who's notoriously hard to win over, someone you've admired from a distance, or even someone you've just met. When used correctly, these 3 words are like a shortcut to sparking her interest and attraction. In today's video, I'm not just going to reveal these 3 powerful words, but I'll also explain why they work, how to use them effectively, and when to say them to achieve the best results. So stick around because by the end, you'll have a tool that can genuinely transform your interactions. Why most men struggle to attract women. Let's begin with a common mistake. Most guys fail to attract women they are attracted to because of the wrong strategy. Using fancy gifts or spending lavishly for her attention. Too much fixation on the external body. Relying on the same hackneyed phrase, "What would you like to do?" The trouble is that these methods convey a message of insecurity and indecisiveness. 2 things a woman loses interest in quickly. Here's a secret. Women are not that impressed by how much money you throw their way or by your ability to agree with everything they say. What they are impressed by is confidence, clarity, and authenticity. And these 3 qualities are precisely encapsulated in the 3 words, you and me. The power of you and me. Now let's get to the heart of it. The 3 words, you and me, may sound simple, even obvious, but when used intentionally and with the right delivery, they can have an extraordinary impact. Here's why they work. Clarity. These words eliminate any ambiguity about your intentions, showing her that you know what you want. Confidence. By saying you and me, you're taking the lead, which is a highly attractive quality. Connection. These words create a sense of intimacy and partnership, as if you're already a team. What's even better? These words are versatile. They work in casual flirting, when asking someone out, or even in serious, long-term relationships. The 4 pillars of you and me. The phrase you and me stands on 4 powerful pillars that resonate with what women desire in a man. Interest. It shows genuine interest in her without appearing needy. Respect. It shows her that you treasure her time and attention. Attraction. It is the sheer confidence behind that phrase that invites her. Initiative. 2 qualities that gain admiration and one's trust it reveals about the ability to decide and take initiative. How to use you and me effectively. Let's find out exactly what to do to use these words in different conditions to maximize their impacts. 1. Starting a conversation. If you're meeting a woman for the first time, don't rely on generic openers like, "Hey, how's it going?" Instead, use you and me to create an instant spark. You and me should get to know each other better. You and me could have a great conversation about this. This approach immediately signals your interest while creating curiosity and a sense of excitement. 2. Asking her out. When it's time to ask her out, be clear and confident. Don't say things like, "If you want, we could hang out sometime." Instead, say, "You and me are going out Saturday night." This sentence is not only decisive, but also sets positive expectations. 3. Building a deeper connection. Even in an established relationship, you and me remains a powerful tool for reinforcing connection and showing leadership. For example, you and me are going to plan something special this weekend. Taking the initiative shows that you care about the relationship and are willing to put in the effort. The magic of delivery. It is not just the words that make these 3 words so powerful, but how you deliver them. Here's what you need to remember. Tone is everything. Speak with confidence, but don't sound arrogant. Be natural. Don't overthink or sound rehearsed. Make eye contact. This shows sincerity and instantly connects. The way you say you and me should be authentic. It is not manipulation. It is the real expression of interest and intention. A word of caution. It is Therefore, crucially important to apply these words with truthfulness and integrity. It is not about manipulation, but actually developing true friendships. Wrong use would thus be boomerang and damage your reputation. So treat with respect and honesty, always. Why you and me works so well. The secret to the effectiveness of these words lies in their simplicity. You and me cuts through doubts and hesitations, making your intentions clear. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude confidence and decisiveness, and this phrase communicates both effortlessly. By saying you and me, you're showing that you're ready to form a connection and share meaningful experiences, qualities that stand out in today's fast-paced, often superficial world. Your challenge. Now it's your turn to put this into practice. Use you and me in 3 different scenarios today. With a coworker, you and I can solve this together. With a friend, you and I need to hang out more often. With someone you're interested in, you and I should grab coffee this week. Pay close attention to how people respond. Over time, you'll notice how this simple phrase changes the way others perceive and interact with you. The Rise and Thrives takeaway. At the end of the day, you and me is more than just a phrase, it's a mindset. It represents confidence, clarity, and a willingness to connect authentically. Practice using these words with intention and watch how they transform your interactions, not just with women, but with people in general. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Rise and Thrives, and share this with someone who could benefit from learning these tips. Together, let's grow, thrive, and rise to our full potential. See you in the next video.